The Nigeria police force has arrested 297 suspects for illegal possession of firearms, recovered at least 520 several-calibre firearms, 4,043 rounds of ammunition, and 264 stolen vehicles since the assumption of the Acting Inspector General of Police, Olukayode Egbetokun, to office. The IG also noted that the NPF would partner with the Nigeria Customs Service and other security agencies to secure the border against insurgents, especially considering the political situation in the Niger Republic following the military coup. Egbetokun made these known on Tuesday during a meeting with members of the police management team, including Deputy Inspectors General of Police, Assistant Inspectors General of Police, and Commissioners of Police, at the Goodluck Jonathan Peacekeeping Hall, Force Headquarters, Abuja. The police also arrested 986 armed robbery suspects, 377 kidnap suspects, 848 suspects of homicide, 517 suspects of rape and defilement, 874 suspected cultists, and 5,281 other suspects for various other offenses. Also, a total of 363 kidnap victims have been rescued and reunited with their families, he said. Noting that there are still prevailing and projected threats across the country, the police chief said the NPF is currently carrying out several anti-banditry operations in the northeast and north-central regions. The IG disclosed that there was a temporary ban on the issuance of gun licenses, citing the need to clamp down on the proliferation of the illegal possession of arms in the country. We are mopping up arms in circulation. There are too many arms in circulation, and if we continue to issue licenses on arms, we may continue to aggravate the problems we are trying to solve. For now, there is a temporary ban on the issuance of firearms. We may review it later, but we are not issuing firearms licenses nationwide now, Egbetokun said. The IG, however, noted that the ban may be reviewed in the future.
I am pleased to disclose that our crime-fighting initiatives are paying off. Through series of covert and overt operations targeted at smashing criminal gangs terrorizing our communities all over the country, we have successfully dismantled several notorious criminal syndicates involved in organized crime such as armed banditry, insurgency, armed robbery, kidnapping, gun running, cattle rustling, and so on, leading to the arrest of 986 armed robbery suspects, 377 kidnapped suspects including bandits, 848 suspects of homicide, 297 suspects for possession of prohibited firearms, 517 suspects of rape, defilement and other sexual offenses, 874 suspected cultists, and 5,281 suspects for various other offenses. Similarly, a total of 520 firearms of various calibers including AK-47 and other assault rifles have been recovered. 4,043 assorted ammunitions and 264 stolen vehicles were also recovered nationwide, while a total of 363 kidnapped victims were rescued unhurt and reunited with their families and loved ones. Notwithstanding the aforementioned achievements, there are still prevailing and projected threats across the country. We have carried out several anti-banditry operations in the northwest, northeast, and north-central regions.
Meanwhile, following the recent attack and invasion of government and private facilities in Adamawa State by hoodlums purportedly searching for palliatives, Egbetokun has ordered tight security around warehouses across the country. The police chief also revealed plans by the NPF to commence the mobilization of the operatives for the police mobile force for the Specialized Quick Intervention Squad. The IG noted that at least 40,000 personnel of the PMF will be drawn from across states and zonal commands for the stated purpose. The squad, proposed by Egbetokun upon his appointment in June, is aimed at tackling the growing concerns about insecurity across the country. Meanwhile, The IG also commended the leadership of the Nigeria Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress for the conduct of their members during the recent nationwide protests over the adverse effect of the fuel subsidy removal.
If you listen to my speech, I already directed that CP commands and AIGs who are in charge of those states, those border states with neighboring countries, are to work collaboratively with our sister agencies, especially the Customs Service at the border, to ensure that there is no internal security issues with respect to what is happening in our neighbors. We will continue to monitor the situations at those places and ensure that we deploy adequately to ensure that we maintain internal security in those areas.